Okay, question number 7. The Mats Club sells candy bars and drinks during football games. 60 candy bars and 100 drinks will sell for $265. 120 candy bars and 90 drinks will sell for $270. How much does each candy bar sells for? So the first thing that we need to identify is, what are we looking for? Well, in this case we're looking for the price of candy bars that we are selling them for. So let's create our little chit chat that tells us what is what. Let's say X is the price of candy bars, and for individual candy bars, and then Y would be the price of soda drinks in this case. Okay, so based on this one we can create a little box that demonstrates these two scenarios. This. Okay, so we know that this is gonna be for candy, the candy column, and then this is gonna be for drinks, and then we have the total. Okay, and then in this case it's gonna be the amount of money. So in this case we have the two separate scenarios. So since X is the amount of candies price, we can multiply the first one by 60, because we are selling 60 candies times X, which is the price of candy, plus drink is Y, so we're selling 110 times Y. They sell for 265, which is right here. And the same thing with the second scenario, where we are selling 120 candies and 90 drinks, which is 90 times Y, because Y is the price of drink. And then this would sell for 270. So we can write our systems of linear equation as 60x plus 110y is equals to 265, and we have 120x plus 90y is equals to 270. Now we can apply elimination technique, and it seems like X would be easier to manipulate. So we're going to multiply the top equation by 2, and we would get 120x plus 220y is equals to 530. When we multiply 265 by 2, we would get 530. Just make sure that you multiply everything by 2, because if you only multiply the x, it's gonna change the equation, and the second equation remains the same, plus 90y is equals to 270. Now we can subtract the second equation from the top equation, and then we'll get 120x minus 120x, they cancel out. When you subtract 90 from 220, we'll get 130y is equals to, when we subtract 270 from 530, we would get 260, and then we can divide both sides by 130, and then we get y is equals to 2. So the price of drink is 2, so we can use this equation and then plug it back into any of these. In this case I'm going to go ahead and then plug it back into the first one, which is 60x plus 110y is equals to 265. Now we know what our y is. In this case y is going to be $2, so I'm going to put 2 right here for the price, and then this will be 60x plus, I have to change that into a 2, 220 is equals to 265. We subtract 220 from both sides, and then this will give us 60x is equals to 45, and then when we divide by 60, we get 3 out of 4, which turns out to be 75 cents. So the price for candy bar would be 75 cents, and then this completes the problem.